Hi, welcome to Move. My name is Emma, and here is our open dance series. We have 20 minutes together. We've got this high energy sequence to do together. It's going to work the legs, it's going to work the abdominals and the heart rate. It's really fun. Enjoy yourself. You don't need anything else but yourself. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. We're just going to walk through the feet, just pedaling out the feet like this. Just inviting some energy back in to our bodies. Well, inviting energy for, if this is your first workout for the day, we're just gonna start to build it up because it's gonna get quite high intensity, this routine. Good, so walking out the feet. Good, we're gonna start half time with this step. We've got kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, back step. Kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, back step. So right and left and right, back step and left and right and back. Good, double speed. We are going to start to put a little bit of a bounce into it. So you hop, it's not quite a hop, it's almost like you're snatching your foot up a little bit. 2, 3, 4. So when we go double speed, got a real bounce. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If that little hoppy thing becomes too much, just keep it at 1 and 2 and 3 so that you're just keeping it down on the ground. You've got 1 and 2 and 3, step, step, and 1 and 2 and 3, step, step, and 1 and 2 and 3, step, step, and 1 and 2 and 3. Good, already you should feel the heart rate starting to speed up already. Good, so keep the arms nice and natural for this one. We're gonna go toe, toe, slide together, change the feet, slide back this way. So we go side and slide together. Change the feet, slide to the side. So we've got side and slide together. Left, right, turn, slide together. Side and slide together. Left, right, and turn. Let's go double speed. 1 and 2. Oh, that's not double speed. Let's go. And 1 and 2, side together, ball change. Slide together, 1 and 2, slide together, ball change. Slide together, 1 and 2, slide together, ball change. Good. Now we're gonna add some arms to those legs. So we're gonna go 1 and 2, slide together, ball change, and slide. Good, so we've got out and out, shoulder shrug to the side. Keep the arms up as you turn, and then just let the arms down, okay? So let's try it at half speed. We've got 1 and 2, shrug the shoulders the opposite way, bring the arms up and slide. Good, we've got 1 and 2, under the fence, ball change and slide. Good, so double speed, we've got better, and out, double, change, and up, and out. 2 more, just try this, and up, ball change, and out. Good, double, double. Good, ball change, and up. Good, so let's go from the top. We've got those kick steps, and then we go into that double touch. We'll only do one of those to add it on in the routine. Here we go. 5, 6, right leg, here we go. Kick step, kick step, kick step, back, back. Good. So we've got 4 of these. Then we go side and side, slide and hit, round and out. Good. Okay, so now let's go on. Cool. So we're going to go up. Now you're going to bend, bend, bend to the point that your knees just hovering off the ground. So you're going to feel those legs. Good, then we're going to change legs, start straight, then go bend, bend, bend. Good, let's do it half speed so we start to fire up those legs. Don't worry about the arms just yet. We've got up, 2, 3. Good, try the other side. Up, 2, 3. Good, just try it again. Straight, bend, hover. Good, other side. Straight, bend, hover. Arms are gonna go. Swing, down, down. Good, then they swing in. Down, down. So we've got, and 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Good, okay, so let's add it on half time with this bit. We've got out and out, under the fence. Ball change, and slide. Good, okay, so we've got out and out, under the fence, ball change, and slide. Okay, Let's try it from the very top, and then we'll add this bit on at the end. Okay, so just pedal out the feet. Just gonna wait for the music to change over in a second. So let's just think about this. We've got arms up, then we've got arms here at the very end of that. And we're only gonna do one of these under, ball change, and slide. Then we swing up, 2, 3, and swing down, hit, hit. Good, okay. So let's pedal through the feet. We're starting from the top. Good, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, 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 step, step, kick, kick, then another 2. Good, very good. Ready to tap to the side at 1 and 2, under the fence and around, and hit, and swing, 2, 3, and swing, 2, 3. Good, let's try it again straight away. 5, 6, right leg goes, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Another 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Hit and hit, under the fence and around, 2, and hit, 2, 3, and hit, 2, 3. From here we go across, across. We're gonna keep those legs really low. So I've just finished here. All I do is shift to this side, stay really low, do a 3-step turn. So that's going to be right, left, right. I'm gonna keep my arms in this fist position. So we've gone here, we've gone down, we've gone here, we've gone down, we've gone out, out, right, left, right. We're gonna slide back into the center. We're gonna wait for 1 count and then jump. You're gonna take your fingers and it's like you're just poking, pressing a button up in the sky. And that'll be on count 8. So we've got 1 count before it. So let's try from here. We've got half time, 2, 3, swing 1, 2, 3. Good, okay, so from here, this is where we're going to go. Over, 2, 3, and 4, slide under, 2, wait, pop, okay? Let's try it double speed now. So we've got, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, right and left, turn around, slide, and wait, and pop. Good, so those arms are gonna go up and down, pretty fast, okay? Let's just try one more time. Double speed, we've got 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, right, left, turn around and slide, 2, wait, and hit. Good, how we go with that? Pretty fast, a little bit tricky, so let's go from the very top, add it on, let's get it into our bodies, let it sink in. Good, right leg's gonna kick, here we go. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, another 2 of these. Good, ready for your toe taps to the side. And we've got toe tap, slide under, and hit, and up, 2, 3, and up, 2, 3, and hit, and round, slide, wait, and hit. Good, how we go with that? You sweating? I hope so, because I am. Okay, let's go from the top. Let's get it in our body straight away. From the top, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 2 more, 2, 3, and 4. Toe taps are coming up. Hit, and under, around. Good, slide, and a swing, down, down, and swing, down, down. Go to the right, ready to turn, slide, wait, and pop. Good. I think we should just do that one more time. Get it in our bodies, then let's add on, okay? Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, 7, going 1, and 2, and 3. Maybe the head goes back on this. It's like you're checking over your shoulder. Huh. Good. Huh. Bang, banging under the ground. Good. Swing the arms up. Drop, drop, hobble the legs. Good, good. Going right and left and round and turn, turn. 2, 3, and 4. Good, let's go on. From here, right foot taps forward. We row the boat, row the boat. Now all my foot is doing is going dig, 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 dig. Arms are coming up and over. They're going dig, 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 dig. Good, so what we do now, we're going to step back, really low lunge on the right leg, back on the left leg, and then roll the arms up, pull them forward, pull the elbows back as you pulse the chest forward, okay? So we've gone dig, 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 lunge, step, roll, roll, roll out, pop. And that's like you've got 2 baddies on either side of you. you want to elbow them in the face. I don't like to be violent, but we need to have that power in the elbows. Take the chest forward to make that step really pop at the end there. Now, little arm in here that we haven't added in. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Imagine you've got a baseball. I'm not very good at throwing balls, but imagine you've got one. It goes back and around with the leg, so it's the same arm as the leg. Then we unroll it the other way. Hit, hit. Try that with me. Out and back, out and back. Roll, 2, 3, and hit. Good. Out and back, so same arm as leg. Then we roll, 2, 3, and hit. Good. Back and round, back and round. Roll, 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 hit. Good. So you take out your two baddies. It's going to be a little bit trickier faster, so we have to think a bit ahead. So let's go from this bit. We've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and roll and 2 and 3 and hit. Good. Yeah, so you see that? Let's try it again. 1 and 2 and 3. So this is your timed little groove here. Stepping back on the right and left and roll, 2, 3, hit. Good. I feel like you're getting it. Let's go for 2 more. So from just this little bit, rowing the boat. 6, 7, 8. Just groove for this one. Doesn't have to be too intense. Now get that leg back. We are back and roll, 2, 3, and hit. Good. One more time. Let's lock that in, and then we'll add it from the very top. Good. So rowing your boat. 6, 7, go, go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Good. Ready? Pressing back and roll, 2, 3, and hit. Good. Okay. Let's go from the very top. Have a little walk. Remember, we've got those kicks. We've got some taps. We've got some swings. We've got some lunges. Here we go. And 5, 6. Right leg 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2 and 3. Maybe behind. You got it. Add your little groove on it. Toe taps to the right. And toe tap under the fence and round. Hit. And swing. 2, 3. And swing. 2, 3. And hit. And hit. Hit and hit. Round. 2, 3. Pop. Roll your boat. 2, 3. Good. And roll your boat. And leg back. And roll. 2, 3. And hit. Good. How do we go? Let's go from the top straight away. Get it in the body. Keep the heart rate up. 5, 6, 7. Oh no, that wasn't a good count in. 5, 6, 7. Go right leg. 2 and 3. Hit. 1, 2, 3. Hit. 1, 2. Toe taps are coming up. And we've got toe taps under the fence and round. Hit. Swing the arms up. Drop. Hover. Good. Right leg. Over, round and hit. 5, 2, 3, and pop. Roll your boat. Just groove it for a second. Nice long lunge here with the right leg. And back. And roll. 2, 3, and hit. Yeah? How we feel? You want to go on? Okay, let's do it. Next bit's a little bit simpler in terms of choreo, but we're going to take the legs out. We're going to step on the right. Kick. Behind. Side. Left. Kick. Behind. Side. Good. Right. Kick. Behind. Side. Now your choice here, maybe you want to point the toes, maybe you want to flex, maybe you want to do a bit of a flick. Completely up to you. You're going to have really strong arms, okay? So we go step, kick, step, 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 kick, step, 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 kick, step, 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 kick, step, step. So we're going to do one to the right, one to the left, and then we'll do another one, okay? So I should just say that we're going to step on the right to kick the left, step on the left to kick the right. Good. Your choice of style of legs there. And height. Maybe you're going 45 degrees. Good. Stay with me. Maybe you're going 90 degrees. Maybe you're going to hit your head. I don't know. I can't get my leg that high. But if you can, go for it. Let's add that on from the very top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, and 2, and 3. Good. Just groove this bit. Ha, ha. Good. And then we've got 1 and 2 under the fence and round. Good. Swing the arms up. Hover, 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 swinging right and left and round, 2, 3, 4, ha, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right leg goes back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, roll, 2, 3, and step, kick, step, 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 kick, step, step, another 2, 2, 3, 4, ba, ba, da, da. How'd that go? Okay, let's go from the top, add it on. Maybe this time you take your leg to the heavens. Ready from the top. 5, 6, 7, go hit 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Another 2. Ha. Good. Ha. Hit and hit. Under, you got it. Swing the arms. Ba, ba, swing. Good. Then we go out, and 2, 3, 4. Wait. Pop, and row your boat. 2, 3, and row your boat. Good, and back, and roll. 2, 3, and hit. Step on the right. Good, you got it. You just got one more each side. Arms. Whew. Hit. Good. Okay, how we go? We're almost at the end. I'm going to add one tiny little thing on to end this sequence. So we're going to go hit, 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 hit. Forward with the shoulder, back with the shoulder. Turn, or pick up your right leg. Oh, sorry, this is your left leg. Turn it around and drop. It's not even a full turn. So we've got shrug, 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 shrug. Shoulder forward, shoulder back. Take the weight onto your right leg. Pick up your left and then drop it down. We're going to finish with a nice head down click there. Cool, but it's going to be double speed. You know that, right? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, shrug, shrug, turn and hit. Good. You can sort of choose exactly your pose at the end, but we've got this shrug thing together where we go shrug, 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 shoulder, shoulder, turn and hit. Maybe you want to put your arms up, whatever feels good for you. Just put like something on the end of that that really says it's the end of the routine. Good, we're going to go from the top. We're adding that to the end. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, wait, 5, 6, right leg, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Good. Find your groove. Ha. Toe taps, you go. Ba, da, 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 da. Swing the arms up. 2, 3. Swing. Then we go. And right, and left, and turn, and slide. 2, wait, and pop, and row the boat. Good. Row the boat. Right leg goes back, and back. Good. Circle, 2, 3, and pop. Step, hit. Good, you got it. You got another 2 kicks. Then we're going to do those shrugs to finish it off. Right leg goes, hit, 2, 3, 4. Shrug forward, back, turn, and pulse. That's your ending. We're going to do it one more time. Straight away, here we go. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3. Good, make it your own. It's your last time. Woo! Good. Da, 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 da. Swing the arms. Good, right and left. Turn around. Wait, and row your boat. Good. Ready, right leg goes back in 1. And hit. Kick. Good, we're almost there. Get those legs a little bit higher this time. Perfect. Good, finish off the end. 2, 3, 4, pose, pose, and a hit. Very good, breathe it up. Breathe it out. Thank you very much. That is all we have time for. My name is Emma Hawthorne. I hope you've enjoyed today, and I'll see you at one of the next dance sessions. Bye.